Hi there, this is a quick tutorial on how to use merge fields within your system. The power of Mailbox Power is its ability to combine customization with automation, and one of the ways it does this is with merge fields. So when you log in, this is where you're taken. We're just going to go to one of my saved projects. There are many different types of merge fields that are available to you. I'm just going to use the copy of, or you make a difference card here. We'll continue editing. And as you know, or maybe you don't, the format for the merge fields is right here, bracket, bracket, first name, bracket, bracket, or bracket, bracket, spouse name, bracket, bracket, no spaces. And so it's a really common one, first name, obviously, and then here we have return first name, return last name, return email, return phone. So the way functionally this will work is the system will pull whatever information lives in these fields and put it on the card automatically. Now, a couple things to note. If you want a complete list of what merge fields are available, the best way to do that is to go to the little blue circle in the bottom right-hand corner right here and click under articles. If you just put merge fields and click on the very first article, save time with merge fields, it will give you a complete list of all the merge fields that are available here. Also, if you want to verify a merge field, all you need to do is, this is in the saved projects field under the options menu, just click verify merge fields here. It's the second item down. It will check the card and make sure these, boom, 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 boom. Perfect. That means that the system has registered these 5 merge fields and they are formatted properly. And now here is the extra special bonus round of the merge field video. Let's say your address book has some contacts that only have a first name, and meaning only one person, and other contacts that have a first name and a spouse name or second name. Our system is smart enough, if you format your merge fields properly, to detect when it is first name only and when it is a first name and spouse name. And I'm going to show you how to set that up right now. So here we are in the editor, and all I want to do, it's very simple, is click ampersand. You can also have lowercase and, or all uppercase and, whichever you prefer. I like the ampersand. Bracket, bracket, spouse name, bracket, bracket. Now, if you have it formatted this way, bracket, bracket, first name, bracket, bracket, space, ampersand, space, bracket, bracket, spouse name, bracket, bracket. No spaces within the brackets and all on the same line. That's vitally important that they are all on the same line. The system will recognize if it is only a first name, and it will only print hi, John, Mary, Steve, Nancy, whatever the first name is, comma, if you have the comma here. Or if there is information in the first name and the spouse name, then it will print hi, Tom and Mary, or Stephen and John, or Mary and Nancy, or whatever setup you have in your address book, it will print that so long as it is in this format and it is all on the same line. So that's how to set it up so that you can address things to both people. And then we'll save the project. And just so you can see how well the verify merge field tool works, I will show you that again now that we've added the spouse name field. So we come over here, options, verify merge fields. We detected the following merge fields in this project: spouse name, first name, return email, return phone, return last name, return first name. So those are all properly formatted, and the system will put that information in the card automatically. So that is the top level view of how to use merge fields. Thanks so much.